Hi friends, I'm Miss Blue, and today we're going to have so much fun learning how to write numbers. We'll start with the number 6 and go all the way to 10. Let's do it together. Are you ready? All right, curve in a loop.
Curve in a loop.
No lines to fix.
No lines to fix.
We just made
the number 6.
slide to the right
Slide to the right.
and down from heaven.
Down from heaven.
We just made the number 7.
Curve the snake.
We just made the number 7.
Now set him straight.
Wait, curve the snake
We just made the number 8. Number 8.
and set him straight.
Loop in the sky.
Loop in the sky.
On the side there's a line.
Loop in the sky.
1 and 0.
And on the side there's a line. We just made the number 9. 1 and 0. Now 10 is a hero. Wow, you did an amazing job. We learned to write numbers 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. You're superstars. Give yourself a big monster high five. Don't forget to practice and show someone your awesome number skills. See you next time, little learners.